Hi, welcome to Backyard Effects. We're your new host. I'm Caleb Pifer.
And I'm Jonathan Pharr. On today's show, you're going to be learning a new makeup design by yours truly, Caleb.
Eric Beck showed you how to do a single bullet hole to the head. I'm showing you how to do a shotgun blast to the face. That will be followed up by a short film written by Jonathan.
So stay tuned for the comedic adventures of Tucker and Dale. You're watching BFX.
I'm Caleb. On today's show, we're going to be doing a face tear effect. First, we're going to need some liquid latex, some fake blood, some spirit gum remover, powder to close it all off later, basic makeup kit. I just bought that at Party City. Some nails, some fake nails for teeth. I'll show you how to do that later. More blood. And then some fake skin. Some nose putty, mortician's wax. People call it different things. Yeah, so that's what you need. Let's get to the effect.
Simple time lapse. Woo!
Sketch out the area with a wax pencil. Then fill in the area with spirit gum. Knead your scar putty. Apply the scar putty to the face and mold it to be flush with the skin. Draw a line where the edge of the teeth should be, then shade in with red and black paint to the desired shade. Continue filling in until you've covered the whole area and have the desired shade. To make the teeth, take 2 fake nails and glue them together. Once dry, start trimming to the shape of the teeth. Start applying the teeth in the desired formation. Take a sheet of the scar putty and put over the bottom and top of the area and smooth out. Start putting on concealer and blend to the shade of the actor's skin. Apply powder to close it all off. This should be your end result.
Damn, look what I got today. Man, if it was on the side of the road, it's not edible.
Don't eat it, you drink it.
If this is some kind of urine, I don't want it.
I was bear sweating, it only happened once. For real, this is bona fide.
Do you even know what that word means?
Not fake.
You got a point there. Well, what is it?
It's a potion. If you drink it, you can't die.
You can't die? You know how stupid you sound right now? Where'd you get it?
It all started.
Wake up, man!
I don't remember. Just drink it.
First of all, you don't know where you got that, and you want me to drink that, put that in my... No, sir. You go.
It's not that bad. Burn's going down.
Kind of tastes like a monster?
Yeah.
Why not? You're absolutely right.
You feeling different?
No, do you? Let's test it.
Ow! My turn.
Oh, man. Hey, man, you think before you do that. Oh, man, that was my good side.
It ain't anymore.
Does it really look that bad?
It ain't pretty.
Well, do you think we could fix it with some salt?
We can try. Still best friends.
Like fire and a cigarette, buddy. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the show. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Caleb. Stay tuned for scenes from next week.
Next week, we'll show you how to do this.